Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Just finishing a workout with my Neleus yoga pants. I love the high waist on these pants because I feel like I keep everything tucked in. And I also like that it has a pocket. The pocket is big enough to even put a cell phone in. I try to do HIIT workouts a couple of days a week. And so I really like these pants because it doesn't matter what kind of exercises that I'm doing or what kind of movements, it feels like it keeps me secure. I don't have any kind of bunching up. I don't feel like I'm constantly having to pull the waistband up. And no matter what direction I turn or what position I'm in, it makes me feel secure, I'm comfortable, and I can do my workouts without any problem. And the material is thick and yet breathable, so I don't have to worry about anything showing through. So if you're looking for some comfortable pants that are get you through those workouts, or even if you walk or run, I highly recommend these pants. I've had them for several years now, and I couldn't be more pleased. And that is just my point of view.